Toyota Hilux ek Japanese pickup truck Haijo Toyota dwara nirmaan kiya gaya hai. Ya truck apne rugged design, powerful engine, or impressive off-road capabilities kala yana yada hai. Toyota Hilux main 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine, Haijo 201 horsepower or 369 pounds-ft torque produce karta hai. Is engine ko 6-speed manual transmission ya 6-speed automatic transmission ke saath joda gaya hai. Engine main variable nozzle turbocharger or intercooler Haijo engine key efficiency or performance ko better banate hain. Toyota Hilux key body or chassis rugged or durable materials se bana hai. Is truck key frame ladder type high or ismein heavy duty suspension system high? Toyota Hilux main double-wishbone suspension system Haijo truck key ride or handling ko better banata high. Toyota Hilux ka interior bahut high functional or comfortable high. Ismein premium leather seats, 8-inch touchscreen display, or JBL premium audio system high. Interior main navigation system, Bluetooth connectivity, or rear-view camera highs features be hain. Toyota Hilux main safety features highs key advanced airbags, electronic stability control, or traction control hain. Is truck main rear cross traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, or lane departure warning highs features be hain. Toyota Hilux kikimat lag peg $23,000, se shuru hodi high or ya truck America main bikri kalai uplab thai. Truck key warranty 3-year, 36,000 mile basic warranty or 5-year out 60,000 mile powertrain warranty high. Toyota Hilux main fuel efficiency bahut hayaki high or ya truck 22 mpg city or 28 mpg highway par chalti high. Is truck key top speed 115 miles per hour high or ya truck 0 to 60 miles per hour main surf 10.5 second main pahunt shakti high. Toyota Hilux ka design bahut high rugged or aggressive high. Ismein bold grille, swept back headlights or curved rear haunches hain. Is truck key length to 108.1 inch, width 72.8 inch, or height 70.9 inch high. Toyota Hilux ka wheelbase 127.8 inch high or ya truck 4,000 to 195 pound weight high. Toyota Hilux main off-road capabilities bahut high impressive hain. Ismein 4-wheel drive system, Haijo truck ko kisi be terrain parchalane main matted karta high. Toyota Hilux main high-low range gearing or locking rear differential, Haijo truck key traction or stability ko better banate hain.